So guys, it's a Friday and we're heading to our nail appointment. It's after 6 p.m. and my nail appointment is 6:30. So I need to get going. I think in the last video or whatever, I had said like I haven't booked an appointment for my nails yet, which I didn't. But today I was like, you know what, let's just get it out the way from now. So I asked her if I can come in tonight and she said yes. So we're gonna get our nails done. We're gonna do red. It's Christmas and I haven't done my nails in months, so we're gonna do red. I didn't book my pedicure appointment. I think I'm gonna try to do it another day because I do have time tonight. I only have time to do my nails and be out of there. So we're gonna head to our nail appointment. So let's go, and then we're gonna keep our hair like this in this clip because why not? It's actually falling down, so I need to fix it. All right, let's head out to our nail appointment, y'all, because I am so ready for my nails to look cutie.
Look, 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 look what the hot body can do. Look, 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 look. Focus. Look what the hot body can do. Body be dancing, dancing. Slow wine, so my body so fine. Dive push, and I made her inside. 2-1, and I made her inside. Makes sense, oh, makes sense.
All right, guys, so we are finished with our nail tech. It's what, 8:36 right now, and I got here like 6:40. I had to wait a little. It's okay because it's my fault, because my ass should have done my nails from earlier this week, so I had to wait a little. But it's okay. But it's finished. I just did plain red, short red nails. Like that's how I am. I was going to do black, but I'm like, it's a festivities, so let's just do red, you know, to bring up our nails a little bit since we haven't worn nails in a while. So red it is. I'm thinking to grab some food right now. The Chinese place right there. So I am going to head there, grab some food, and then head home and relax for the rest of the night. We ain't going nowhere tonight. We may go on the road tomorrow, so we're resting this Friday night, go home, relax. We need to clean, but we're gonna do that sometime over the weekend. Our sheets has changed. I changed my sheets like what, 2 days ago. So yeah, just gonna Netflix and chill tonight. Yay! And then next week, this Sunday I do have an event. Oh my gosh, I'm going to a breakfast party this Sunday. Yeah. We're gonna be outside this holiday, guys. Ooh, 2026. I do need to make some jottings and plans for my 2026. Won't share that with you guys. That's something privately, but I really need to get into that because the year is ending soon. So I need to figure out my 2026 accomplishments that I do need. There isn't a lot. I'm not gonna put a lot on my plate, just very minimal stuff. Told you I have school starting January, so that I'm gonna knock out. Candle business for sure. I can share that. So school, candle business, restart my candle business, and then some other little stuff that, you know, I won't share with you guys. But my birthday is coming up in February. I'm going to be 36 years old. So I wanna do something for my birthday. Like, birthdays are so essential and very important to me. Let me tell you the holidays that are important to me. New Year's Eve, like that's so important. New Year's, birthdays. Yeah, those two big holidays are very important to me. Yeah, not sure what I'm doing for New Year's yet. I know my peeps want to go Sunrise, which is January 1. I want to go Frenchman, but if I do get a ticket, I'll go. Frenchman is like $45,000. So I would really want to go Frenchman, but I'm not going to pay that out of my pocket this year. So we may just go Sun Nation, which is early in the morning. So January 1st is a breakfast party, Sun Nation, and in the night is Frenchman. So it's like a half a price for the breakfast party. So I don't know, I may go to that instead. I'm awaiting tickets, you know, put it in the atmosphere. Hopefully a girl get ticket. Comment down below and say who. Hopefully Kerry gets her Sun Nation breakfast ticket and also her Frenchman ticket, free complimentary ticket, so the girl can go to enjoy herself and celebrate her new year. And yeah, that's what's happening. Let's head to the Chinese place. I think I want some chow mein. Yeah. Guys, I literally just drive up to the Chinese place and they're closed. And when I came out the salon, I saw it was open. So I guess I should have just walked in right away, because to be in the car talking to y'all while they were closing. I guess it's jerk chicken tonight. Let's go. I really wanted some chop suey, There's another Chinese place on Reddy's Road, but I don't like the food. I'm not gonna even attempt to buy it again. It don't taste good, so I guess jerk chicken it is. Cause we ain't going to no Burger King or Papa's line or KFC line Friday at 8:41 in the night. That's crazy. Should I drive up the road? Island Grill would be good, but I know Island Grill will probably be packed too, innit? Yeah, all right, jerk chicken this is. Let's go. So I've decided to stop. I was passing by and I saw Island Grill drive through very, very, like literally 5 cars. It was pretty short, so I just say, all right, let me turn into Radio's Mall and go in the Island Grill line. So that's what we're having. I really did not want any chicken too, because when I was driving, I'm like, yo, I don't want a jerk chicken. I literally had chicken a couple hours ago before I left home. I had some pasta that I had last night. I had some leftover pastas, and I had piece of chicken where I had in the fridge for quite a few days. So I was like, yeah, I don't really want a chicken, so I'm gonna get me a small veggie chung. Yeah, veggie stew stewed veggie from Island Grill. Yeah, so I'm in the line right now. So I'm gonna have that. Oh shoot, I'm gonna need to buy a drink. Yeah, so I'm gonna grab a small juice too. What happened with that person? Why am I rewind? Why is he reversing? All one, please.
Rice and peas or pumpkin rice?
Pumpkin rice. What kind of juice you have?
Juice, plum juice, guava, pineapple, lychee.
I can get guava, pineapple, please, small.
Yeah.
That's it.
So a small guava, pineapple, and a small veggie stew, pumpkin rice, 1,350.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, so the phone fell. Somebody was actually pulling out of the drive line, like. And I guess they didn't have what they wanted. So I ordered me a veggie stew with pumpkin rice, and oh, y'all heard. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go home, shower, put on my PJs. Talk about PJs. I need to go on Shein and purchase some PJs. Like, listen, 2026, the girl have a lot of things to buy. We need to, yeah, I can't wait to restart my business because I really need some additional income flowing in, because there's so many stuff I need to buy. Like, there's trips to plan. People. Oh, by the way, at the salon, why does it feel like it leak out? I feel full. So somebody was selling this $1,000. You know how much money for this in that pharmacy? So I just purchased it. Made in Mexico. It shouldn't be fake, because yeah, I know it's fake. Come on, like little thing there, but I'm glad I get this. I do have, if y'all don't know, I have dry skin. I have eczema, so certain sweet lotions I don't use on my skin. Sometimes I just use it on my hands, when I'm going out and stuff like that. But for lotion overall, it has to be a hydration moisture lotion, and this brand is good, Eucerin. So I'm happy I got it for $1,000. The girl is glad. Okay, in the pharmacy, 2,000 add plus tax to this. Why am I so excited about the veggie? And it shouldn't be eating in the rice. Child, something should have ordered. A festival, should I make them put a festival in it? The festival is so good. I'm gonna want me to take time eat, because I don't want any more problems with my braces, y'all. Like, January, I have, regarding the braces, January may have extractions to do. I have 4 teeth to pull, plus the maintenance. So January is gonna be like hefty money going out of my pocket. So December, I am watching my money right there and then. I'm supposed to be getting free tickets for certain events, so I'm awaiting that. I'm asking around to get me some comp tickets because the tickets for the events these days is not gonna be working. But yeah, the girl is not spending so much money on tickets. I'm sorry. So we are waiting some comp tickets because the budget we're watching, January is going to be a hefty month for me. It's really expensive. I'm going to be buying supplies for my candle business. Like I mentioned, braces, maintenance plus extractions. So and then Carnival, I don't even want to talk about Carnival. Carnival is coming up in early April, and yeah, we need to figure out Carnival budget too. So ready for Carnival.
1,300.
Yeah. So chilly. The AC is so chilly, y'all. I need to fix my car next week, I need to fix my car before the holidays. There's a stone on my car that I have to fix. It's been a few weeks now. So I need to get that fixed before Christmas. Christmas is what, Thursday? Yeah. Oh, watch it. This is a 13.
3,060. Then it just not park a second and I grant to me a lifetime.
Thank you. The food is ready.